GeeksforGeeks is a popular platform to learn and practice coding. With a vast collection of coding problems, tutorials, and articles, it's the go-to place for programming enthusiasts. Users can choose from a variety of programming languages and topics, making it suitable for beginners to experts. GeeksforGeeks offers a structured way to improve coding skills through a step-by-step approach and real-world problem-solving. By solving coding challenges and participating in coding contests, users can enhance their problem-solving abilities and test their knowledge. The platform also provides a supportive community where learners can exchange ideas and seek help. Whether you are preparing for interviews or want to sharpen your coding skills, GeeksforGeeks is a valuable resource for all levels of programmers.